Hi there, I'm Jim Blakesley, and I'm the instructor for the online Introduction to Human Resource class. This semester, you'll be learning about human resources, the duties and responsibilities, and why it's so important that these practices are followed, regardless if you are planning a career in uh, in the human resource field, or just in any type of management role. This area is very important, and so it's very general in terms of covering employment law, labor relations, wage and salary. We'll be going through all these topics and as the semester goes through. I want to tell you a little bit about what's going to be happening in the course and a little bit about me. Uh, One of the things I want you to do this first week is to complete a self profile, and it would be good if you could also attach a copy, a picture of yourself. Since we're not going to be meeting face to face, it's one way just to kind of get acquainted a little better and know who else is in the class and help your classmates and me know a little bit more about you. I've put a sample out there. I completed my own self profile. And I will go ahead and tell you I have been teaching at Madison College since 2010. Prior to that, I worked 39 years in the human resource field. Various sizes of companies, various types of companies. Some places I worked, there was a union involved, and other places, our goal was to remain union free. And a lot of that is what human resources is all about. So each week we will be having assignments. There's actually an assignment calendar tab on Blackboard, and you can see that each week there'll be some reading material out of the textbook. And in addition to that, there's some commentaries. There's a tab called Commentary, and where I've added some additional information and probably related to that same chapter reading that you would have already completed. So I might mention to you that the tests will include information that is both in the textbook as well as what's in the commentary. So it is important that you read the commentaries as well. So, and typically each week there will be a posting. There's a topic that I've listed under the discussion board for that week, and they're numbered. So you read the topic, the information and the topic, and then you add your comments. You create a thread, and is what it's called, and add some comments and your thoughts on the subject. And you should also be looking at what your classmates are saying on that same discussion topic. Uh, since we're not meeting face to face, it's just another way in an online environment to have a discussion with other students. So you're going to probably spend 2 to 3 hours a week, just like any other class that you have, where you're getting 3 credits. So you should plan accordingly. And one of the business practices I'd like to instill is schedule and deadlines, and meeting that schedule and staying on track throughout the semester. Um, just like in a work environment. I mean, you have a scheduled time you're supposed to be at work, and when to show up, and when you can leave. You have projects that are going to be assigned to you, and those are going to be expected to be completed at a certain time. Customers maybe expect you to get back to them in a certain time frame, and so we call those deadlines. So there are some deadlines for completing these assignments that are listed. You should also review the syllabus. It talks about how grading is done and some of the other requirements that you'll need to meet in this class. So Uh, One of the things that I wanted to talk about is uh, some requirements as far as writing, since you'll be writing posts on the discussion board, and there are some external reports throughout the semester where you'll pick the topic and you'll summarize an article, and then you'll add your own thoughts about that particular topic, HR related, business related, at least. So writing is a skill. You need to like in a business, you need to have proper spelling, proper grammar, and it needs to look professional. And so that's the standard that I hold you to in this class. And there's also a teamwork, a team project, some teamwork in any kind of business environment. You're going to work together with other groups of employees, and you need to be able to accomplish that, to be cooperative and to be respectful, and to uh, be able to communicate with each other in a timely manner. And so, even though this is an online class, you may not be meeting with these individuals face to face, although sometimes the groups do find that helpful and are able to do that. But depending on location, that might not even be possible. So, um, the other comment I would like to make, just like in business, just like in most things in life, um, you get out of something what you put into it, and the more effort you put into it, the more you get out of it. And so I look forward to your participation, and look forward to your sharing information with your teammates, and classmates. So, lastly, just to say that I am looking forward to the semester. If at any point you have problems or have a question, feel free to reach out. I've listed my phone number. You can call me, text me, or email me. And I'm looking forward to the semester and working with you. Have a great semester. Bye now.